Welcome to our tutorial about insert breaks. I've got a part here with two long segments. Let's go create a drawing document. Make drawing from part assembly. OK. B landscape. OK. Now let's drag in the top view from our view palette. Let's make a side view and click OK. Now to make this view more friendly, I'm going to insert a break. First select the view. Now I'll choose Add Horizontal and insert another break. Here we can specify the gap size. Below we can choose the break line style, zigzag, straight, curve. I'm going to stick with zigzag and click OK. Now let's select the side view. We'll add another horizontal break and click OK. Let's dimension our parts now. As you see, the zigzag is automatically inserted in the dimension. The last dimension is here. Click OK. To reposition the break line, simply grab it and drag it with your mouse. And click OK when you're done. And this concludes our tutorial about inserting breaks.